In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of all devices Valorant PS5 or Xbox. Now, you just have to go to Valorant, just search for Valorant. And when you are in here, just go to Valorant and make sure that you are logged in your Valorant. And as you can see in here, just go to settings, click this and go to settings. Now, once you are in here, I just have to input my password. Now, once you are in here, you can see the login management in here. And as you can see, there is a name in here, login management. And just click this log out everywhere. So this means to log out all devices in just Xbox or in PS5 or even in PC. So if you log out this, if you click this, it will force any devices to log out from all Riot apps, sites, and games. And that's it.